Hey Girl Scouts, it's Bex and I'm back again for another video, except this time we're gonna make some music and we are going to sing. We are going to cantar together. A little backstory, I have been singing pretty much my whole life. Ever since I was a little girl, I remember singing in school, in church. Now I sing more frequently. I personally love music. Ever since I was younger, every single kind of music there is out there, I love it. I'm just obsessed. It's just so crazy how you can kind of set the atmosphere with music, and there's music for everything. There's music for rainy days, there's music for beach days, there's music for sunny days, there's music if you just want to belt out and sing in your car, in the shower. There's just so much joy that comes from music. I challenged myself and I bought a ukulele, and I challenged myself to learn and to post a video to teach you girls how to play the ukulele. So I don't know if you have a ukulele at home or thinking about getting one, but I highly encourage you to if you can. For this video, you're gonna need a ukulele. If you don't have a ukulele, you can still watch and listen, and hopefully you can find some enjoyment from this video. The song that I picked to learn is called La Vie en Rose. It's a French song, and it's pretty jazzy the way that Louis Armstrong sings it, at least. He didn't write the song, but he sings it extremely beautifully. I picked this song because I love it, number one, and number two, hello, it was in the movie WALL-E. So bear with me, I am not an expert at anything ukulele, but I'm trying, and I want to be able to share it with you girls and teach you guys what it's all about. So, before we get started, you're going to want to tune your ukulele. Fortunately, technology came and saved the day, and there's tons of apps out there to tune your ukulele, or you can tune it online, I'm sure. You're going to tune your ukulele before you get started, and then I'm going to teach you a couple of chords that you're going to need to play this song. The order of how ukulele strings start from the bottom being the first string, the second one, second string, third string, fourth string. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. These spaces right here, separated by the bars, are called frets. So when I say put your first finger on the third string, second fret, you're going to put it right there. So right there. So for G, you're going to put your first finger, second fret, third string, second finger, second fret, first string, third finger, third fret, second string. It should sound like this. That's G. Then next is G major 7. It's really easy. You're just going to take your first finger and put it across the first, second, and third strings like so. You're going to leave the last one uncovered. That's G major 7. Then E minor, you're going to get your middle finger, second fret of the fourth string. That's E minor. Then you're going to do C6. C6 is really simple. It's just an open strum. And C is, you're going to use your middle finger, and it's on the first string, third fret. That's C. D, you're going to get all of your 3 fingers, and you're going to put it on the second fret. They're all going to be on the second fret on strings 2, 3, and 4. It's going to sound like this. Whoops. It's going to sound like this. That's D. Then D7, your fingers are going to stay here, but your pinky is going to go to the first string on the third fret, not the second. So all 3 fingers are going to be on the second fret. Your little pinky is going to go on the third fret, first string. That's D7. And those are the only chords that you need for this song. So, fortunately, this song is really slow. It's really jazzy, so you can take your time with it. It doesn't need to be rushed. Okay, so we're going to go through the intro, and I'll just call out the chords for you. And the strum pattern for this is down, down, up, up, down. It's kind of hard to get the strumming pattern and the chords and the singing all together at once, so you take your time. If you think that learning the chords first would help, or learning the strumming pattern first would help, or just learning the song and singing it would help, totally up to you. Everyone learns differently. So we're going to start with the intro. I'm just going to sing out the chords. So G, 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 G major, da, da, da. D, da 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 da, G, D, G, G major 7, da 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 da, E minor, ba da 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 da, C. Now the strumming here changes. It's really dramatic on the chorus bridge. So you're going to want to just do single strums down. This helps you get to your next note easier because you're just doing one strum, so you only really need to think about changing to the next chord, so that's nice. C6, da da da, G da da da, C6 da, D6, G da 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 da, G major, da 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 da, C, C6, D, G. Okay, so let's put it all together so that it makes sense. Okay, I'll sing it out and you can watch. Hold me close and hold me fast, this magic spell you cast, this is La Vie en Rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be La Vie en Rose. So I hope this video was fun for you. It's just a little lighthearted weekend video. I hope that you're able to learn with my instructions. It's my first time ever doing some type of tutorial on something that I'm so new at. Sing it for your parents, sing it for your family, sing it for your friends, and share it with anybody that you'd like. So until next time, goodbye.